Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you deposit crypto into your Binance. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Binance application at very first, and after opening the Binance application, you will get to see a bunch of options into this home page. Among them, you just simply have to select this wallets option at the bottom right. Now after going into wallet, you will get to see this option of add funds. Here tap to add funds, and then you will get the option of deposit crypto directly. In order to deposit crypto, just simply tap to this deposit crypto option, and then you have to select the crypto which you would like to deposit. I'm selecting this Bitcoin into here, and after that you can choose the network of Bitcoin for which you would like to deposit. I'm selecting Bitcoin into here too, and after that you can select the deposit address, but before that you have to verify your account. Just simply verify your Binance account at very first, because that's very necessary process to do anything into Binance. And after that you can just simply select deposit address, and after paying the required amount, your crypto will be deposited. This way you can also do that very easily. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.